Today in Microsoft Excel, we're talking about SUMIFS. In my previous video, we talked about SUMIF. And SUMIF is a function in Microsoft Excel that adds up value in a range that meets a specific condition. That's one. But SUMIFS, like we're looking at today, adds up value that meets multiple conditions, 2, 3, 4, and more. So let me cite an example. Let me use my previous example. I have a basket of fruits, another basket of fruits, and I want to know the total sum of my fruits. I sum it up. But if I want to know the total sum of apples among other fruits, I use SUMIF, and my criteria is apple. But if I want to know the sum of apples that are red among other fruits, I use SUMIF function, ifs. And my criteria is apples, color red. So I have two criteria, apple and red. So let's check it out. This is my table. It's a bit messy deliberately. This is the table we used previously. So it's the fruit, the color, and the quantity. So let's fix this. This is a column and this is a row, just to remind you. So I highlight the 3 columns and I go to the edge of one column and I click and everything expands and adjusts. Or I click individually at the edge of a column and everything adjusts perfectly. I also highlight the row that I'm working with and I click on one row and I adjust it to the particular size that I want it to be, and every other one follows suit automatically. So that's that about that. Let's talk about the SUMIFS. Yeah, always click on the insert function beside the formula bar. Hold on, this is where I want my answer to be, beside the quantity. So click on the insert function icon beside the formula bar, click on SUMIFS, and the argument box appears. So my sum range, the actual cells that I want to sum is in quantity, and my criteria range 1 is the color. And what criteria am I looking at in color is red. Click on it or you type. My criteria range 2 is the fruits, and what particular criteria am I looking at in fruit is apple. So I have 2 criteria, the apple in fruits and red in color, and I click OK. So this is my answer, 195. So the total number of apples that are red among my fruits is 195. So 2 criteria, so that's why I use the SUMIFS function.